Well, good morning, everyone. My day just changed big time. I just got out here to the property. Don't really have anything for the truck to do today so far, so I was going to jump in the old one stack Mac early and run it down to the truck wash because it is filthy. And not much exciting about a truck wash, so I was thinking I might not even film today. Oh God, she is filthy. Look at this. Whew. That's bad. That's real bad. But as I was pulling in the gate, old Mr. Bruce Wilson called me. Says, "Where are you at?" Sent me his location. He is 12 minutes down the road, and him and old Brutus, they's got themselves tangled up in a logging operation. He said, "Get down here and jump in the truck, let's go." So all I can say to that is hell to the yeah. I have always enjoyed stuff like that. It's just cool.
What was the damage?
I'm gonna try my best to get on one of those skidders. Fingers crossed. Running a skidder has been a childhood dream of mine. Ever since my dad was on a hunting lease in a place called Johnson Island here in Florida. They had a logging operation going, and hang on a second. Hey Terry.
Thank you.
Good seeing you. Hey Franny. Franny is his dog, Francis. Anyway, we met those loggers there at Johnson Island. I was just a little old puppy, and the guy told us how to crank them up. Told us where they hid the keys. Said, if you ever get stuck, just grab a skidder and pull yourself out. So my dad would always, he'd pull up to a mud hole. He'd say, "Which way do you want me to go, son?" And I'd look over there at what I thought was the deepest, thickest, muddiest, nastiest spot, and I'd say, "That way." I wanted him to get stuck so bad. My dad would just chuckle and he'd go the easy way. I wanted him stuck bad. I wanted on a skidder. But maybe, just maybe, today's the day. My neighbor down there. I saw him kind of frailing his arms around for a second. Thought maybe he was in trouble, but I think he's just batting off horse flies. We got bad horse flies out here this time of year. Somebody dumped off 4 dogs out here. That's sad. They'll either, sometimes people come by and rescue them. I used to try. I'm out of the dog rescuing business. Long story. I'm not gonna go over it. But they'll either get rescued by someone, or the pound will come pick them up. But more than likely, they'll sit out here and they'll drink this swamp water. And what it's technically called amoebic dysentery. We call it swamp fever. Pretty dogs. Bunch of puppies. Hey puppies. Well, they left them a bowl. I'll see what I can do for y'all later. I'll call somebody. Cuties. I like that little white one there. you know, as upset as you all saw me about the tires and the refrigerator, and that is just horrible. I mean, find the darn dog a home. Look there, y'all. Here comes old Brutus. Oh, shit. Still just got this little horn. Gosh dang. Oh my God. Look at old Brutus. Poor girl. What's up, Ryan?
What's going on?
Not much, baby. Man.
Load up, you're sitting in the back.
Balls of steel. How you doing, buddy?
Hanging out.
Well, we're here at the sawmill. Big operation. Old Brutus is filthy. They're gonna get this thing unstrapped. I bet we get hollered at by the loader driver. I don't know if I caught that in time or not, but that was pretty wild. Had the whole back end of his machine in the air.
I didn't load it in.
We're about 2 miles into this swamp, and he said they go about another mile that way logging. This is a mitigation project. That's a old machine there, Timberjack 240E. That's what they haul all their logs out of the swamp with. Whew, this road's messed up. That's a set of trailer tires there, ain't it? They haul them out with this, stage them up, load them on trucks. I can't go much further this way walking. I was gonna run a skidder, but they shut the operation down because of the lightning and rain. Right now they're just getting everything parked, and the day is over. That's all right. I'll catch up with him one day and run one. He told me to come out anytime. But here in a minute, we're gonna get this other load up to the front in old Brutus. And I'm gonna jump in my Suburban and go take care of some other work. Bruce, Ryan, and Brutus are gonna go haul that load to the sawmill. Well, I could have caught me right on the skidder, but I missed him. But I'm going with Bobo. I'm gonna ride in the beast. That's all right.
The windows won't work too good in this thing.
Just turn the wipers on, it'll clean them up. Oh, it's automatic.
Don't think you stop.
And that's how it's done.